Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are focusing on one of the most important part of GATE 2026 architecture and planning syllabus. And in this, the architecture part, that is part B1, is history and contemporary architecture. The section is very scoring if you prepare it smartly. And yes, I'm also teaching the entire architecture part of GATE AR at Safal Together, where you will get structured classes, notes, and guidance to master this syllabus. So, what includes in history of architecture? The syllabus. The syllabus begin with the principle of art and architecture, followed by evolution of style across civilization. That is world history of architecture, Egyptian, Greco-Roman, Byzantine, Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, etc. Then, uh, then we cover Indian vernacular and traditional architecture along with Oriental architecture. In GATE, you can expect match the following or identification based question like which type is associated with pointed arch or which architects belong to the Renaissance period. These types of question you can guess. Then coming to the contemporary architecture, after history, we move to contemporary architecture, which includes Art Nouveau, Art Deco, eclecticism, international style, postmodernism, deconstruction in architecture, and etc. The work of masters like Le Corbusier, Frank Lloyd Wright, Louis Kahn, Charles Correa, and B.V. Doshi. Typical gate question can be identified which building represent deconstructism or match the architect with the movement. These are questions you can expect in exam. Then work of architects. This part focuses on renowned nation and international architects. For India, study Charles Correa, P.V. Doshi, Achyut Kavinde. Internationally, focus on Frank Lloyd, Mies van der Rohe, Le Corbusier, and Zaha Hadid. Example question will be like who designed the Mill Owners Association building in Ahmedabad? That we all know that is Le Corbusier. So these type of question you can expect, and this is the elaboration of this part of core architecture, which mm, which includes in history and contemporary architecture. Then how to prepare? To prepare well for this section, use Bannister Fletcher History of Architecture for World Style. Refer to Francis Singh Form Space and Order for Architecture Principle for Modern Movement and Indian Architects. Check out curated study notes and PPTs which we are providing in from our educator in Safal Together. Make your own timeline charts and flashcards for quick revision. So that was a complete overview of history and contemporary architecture section of GATE 2026 AR. If you want to prepare this subject in structured way with guidance from top educator, you can join me at Safal Together where I'm teaching the entire architecture part. You will get expert mentorship, notes, practice question and live classes to make sure you are fully exam ready. In my next video, I will cover building construction and structure systems. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GATE AR preparation strategy. Thank you so much.